Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm just going to be showing you how you're going to be using Dettol antiseptic liquid and get rid of acnes. You see I have some kind of acnes on my skin, but they were big before I started using Dettol antiseptic liquid. But trust me, if you start using it the way I'm going to be showing you how to use it, it's going to work effectively. So in today's video, just keep tuned and see where this video ends. But if at all this is your first time to click on my channel, please kindly subscribe, because you're going to be missing a lot of beauty tips, motherhood tips on this channel. So just keep tuned till the video closes. If at all you've been fighting acnes, pimples, and it has been hard for you to get rid of them, so just keep tuned. I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be getting rid of them. So remember, Dettol antiseptic liquid, it helps to treat all skin fungus, skin rashes, any kind of skin issues. It will treat it. So in this video I'm just going to show you how to use it. Some people, they happen to use Dettol and they say it's not working. Yes, because it's not working because you're using it in a wrong way. How? Dettol, the way you're seeing it here, it's totally pure, as you can see it here. So it's not good and not advisable to use this Dettol direct to your skin, because that's why it's called antiseptic liquid. It needs to be diluted too before you apply it on your skin. So how to do it and how you can do it and get a better skin, a better looking clear skin. As you can see, my skin, it's looking clear. Yeah, so you can have the same skin like mine. So without waste of time, in this video I'm going to be showing you all you need. You need our Dettol here, we need cotton, and we need water, because we need to dilute this this Dettol antiseptic liquid. So I'm going to be taking just one bottle cover. Okay, so I'll be taking one bottle cover. Okay, so I'm going to be adding it in this water because it needs to be diluted. Okay, now you see, this is what shows that this is the original one. So after, I have to mix it well. So after mixing it, I'm going to be applying it on my face. Okay, so I'll take some of the cotton, little of it, and I'll be putting it in my tin, and I'll start applying on my skin gently, just like this. So you have to apply it on your face, just like this, everywhere you're seeing pimples. You keep applying it. You keep applying it on your face, and make sure that you don't let the soap. So you just have to keep applying it on your face. But remember, Dettol, if at all it finds your skin sensitive, it's going to burn your skin. So I would suggest after applying it well on your skin, make sure that you wash it off before you apply your moisturizer or any kind of cream you're using on your skin, or any kind of lotion you're applying on your skin. Trust me, you know you're not going to be seeing any skin fungus, skin rashes, skin pimples, acnes. Even those who just got, or who are cesareans, they have the scar for the scissor, it will help to heal that scar. So apply it after showering, apply Dettol and leave it there, so it's going to heal the outer layer of the scissor. So make sure that you don't leave it on your skin. Keep it for at least 30 minutes and wash it off. Within 7 days your skin is going to be clear and free of acnes and pimples. It's going to be looking like mine, very nice and glowing. Okay guys, love you all and see you in the next video.